you know, I think with most of us working from home, we're just trying to find ways to keep things fun or entertain ourselves, be it changing up our offices and, you know, creating our own space for ourselves. But one of the big things for me is, you know, typing. Although I love my old Magic keyboard, I'm using the original one from back in the day. I've always wanted a mechanical keyboard, so decided to do some research, and the Keychron K2, one of the biggest choices, or, you know, recommended keyboards for Macs. But yeah, I don't know. It looks nice. It's you know, and people say they love it, but the one common complaint that I kept hearing was just the height of the keyboard. A lot of people said that it was a little too tall and it wasn't very ergonomic for them, even with the wrist pad. And so, you know, I mulled it over, and then I came across the Durgod, which one is here? It's the Durgod K320 TKL. And so it's affordable, and it's the color I chose was the shades of gray, and it's just got that Compaq feel. You know, I grew up with a Compaq computer, and a lot of people just really enjoyed it, really great reviews, and after using it, I actually really love it too. It's got the MX Browns, which is not too clicky, but tactile enough, feels good in the hand. Again, I'm not a huge guru when it comes to mechanical keyboards by any means. I did have a cherry blue for a little while, but just way too clicky, and that gets really annoying after a while. So the MX Browns actually are perfect. So really happy with this. So the two biggest downsides of this keyboard is that it is wired, which sucks, but is what it is. And the layout is meant for PC. So, which is okay, because that's the way around that is downloading this software called Carabiner, and you can remap the keys to whatever you need. And it actually works out really well for me because I use the letter P to pick the photos as I'm culling through in Lightroom. So now I remapped the control button on the right hand side, and it's right beside the arrow keys, to be the P button. So then I can just simply scroll through the photos and click control, which then is actually P. It picks the photos and makes my job a lot easier. So you can really do whatever you want. You can make macros and other shortcuts. It's really great, and it's free software. Other than that, the keyboard is got some heft to it, feels solidly built. You will also still need a wrist pad. I got this nice squishy one from Amazon, and it's it feels good. You know, if you don't use a wrist pad, you probably will get a little carpal tunnel, a little achy in the wrist. So I definitely recommend that. But all in all, it's just the feel of it, everything just is nice. And again, you know, like I said, I only have one other keyboard that I've ever used that is a mechanical, and I'm comparing the two, and this is what I was envisioning typing on a mechanical keyboard would be like. And so that's great. I really enjoy it. Anyways, just wanted to share with you guys, and I will leave you with a little sound test between this Durgod and the Apple keyboard, and let me know if you have any questions. Other than that, stay safe, and happy holidays, guys.